Complete IUPAC nomenclature format. Whenever we write IUPAC naming of organic compound, we use this one format. First of all, we write secondary prefix, then primary prefix, then root word, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Prefix are those which are used before root word, and suffix are those which are used after root word. Then what is root word? Root word is number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atoms in molecule. Okay. Primary suffix. Primary suffix is carbon to carbon bond within the molecule. If carbon to carbon single bonds are present within the molecule, then we use primary suffix "ane". If carbon to carbon double bond is present within the molecule, then we use primary suffix "ene". If carbon to carbon triple bond is present within the molecule, then we use primary suffix "ine". Secondary suffix is used for functional group. It is used for functional group. For alcohol functional group OH, we use ol. For aldehyde functional group, we use al. For carboxylic acid functional group, we use oic acid. Oic acid. For amide group, this is amide group, we use amide. Okay. For amine group, this is amine group, we use amine. For acyl halide group, this is acyl halide, we use oil halide. Children, remember, whenever secondary suffix starts with a, e, I, o, u and y, then e of primary suffix is removed. For example, let us see, like you are writing name of a structure which contain 4 carbon atom, then you will write but. If all single bonds are present between carbon to carbon, then you will write ane. Okay. And now this molecule contains alcohol group, then you will use ol. Okay. But this e will be removed, then you will write butanol. Okay. So but is root word, ane is carbon to carbon single bond, and ol is for functional groups. So but is root word, ane is primary suffix, ol is secondary suffix. Now come to the primary prefix. Primary prefix represents whether a structure is cyclic or acyclic. If structure is cyclic, it is used only in the case of cyclic structure, and a word is used cyclo. Okay. If cyclic structure is there, then you will use primary prefix. Okay. Secondary suffix is used for side chain. It is used for side chains or substituent group or substituent groups. Okay, children, let us take some example, then understand this in better way. Like I am writing one structure here. I have written CH3, CH. Here I am writing Cl, then CH, CH3 and COOH. Okay, this is a compound. Now we have to name this one compound. So we will, first of all, we will select longest chain. Longest chain is of 1 2 3 4 carbons. We will start numbering carbon. From which side we will start? From this one side, because this from this side terminal functional group is present. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 carbons chain is forming here. Now see, two substituent group. This is side chain and this is a substituent group. Okay, so at carbon number 2 methyl group is attached. At carbon number 3 chloro group is attached. If we see alphabetically, so M come later after C. So I will write 3 chloro, 2 methyl, how many carbon? 4 carbon, but it is not a cyclic structure. So we will write but. See whether carbon to carbon double bond is present in this structure? No. So you will write N. Now you know this is carboxylic group. So suffix will be, secondary suffix will be used to oic acid, which start with O. So E of N will be removed. Oic acid. Okay children. So in this structure, if we talk, oic acid is secondary suffix, N is primary suffix, but is root word, and 3 chloro 2 methyl is secondary prefix. In this structure, primary prefix is not present. Let us take another example. I am writing this one structure. Okay, it contains OH group and here CH3 group. Children, this is a cyclic structure. We have to give number to this cyclic structure. 1 2 3 4. This is 4 carbon cyclic structure and this is side chain. Okay, carbon to carbon single bond is present because single line represent single bond. Okay, so at carbon number 3 methyl group is attached. So we will write 3 methyl. Now this is cyclic structure. So we will write cyclo. How many carbon? 4 carbon. So but. Single bond, then I have written N. E I will not write because this start from O. So butanol. Now let us see. All is secondary suffix. N is primary suffix. But is root word. Cyclo is primary prefix. 3 methyl is secondary